PT Niramas Utama began its business by producing quality Nata de Coco. With a keen eye on the export market, PT Niramas Utama aptly answers the market need by supplying almost 100% of its Nata de Coco product to Taiwan. In 3 years, PT Niramas Utama managed to brilliantly extend its business by exporting its product to Japan in order to answer the need of Nata de Coco in the land of the rising sun. With a strong commitment to produce healthy and nutritious quality food, in 1995, PT Niramas Utama entered the Indonesian market under the brand INACO, Indonesia Nata de Coco. INACO became the pioneer in Nata de Coco product with a hygienic and eye-catching package, while at the same time became the pioneer in modern packaging products which support various flavors. In 1996, upon realizing the need for healthy and safe snacks for children, another creation and innovation of PT Niramas Utama enters the Indonesian and Hong Kong markets in the form of mini jelly containing pieces of Nata de Coco. Such product received a warm welcome not only from the children but also people of all ages. In the beginning of 2000, PT Niramas Utama began to develop Aloe Vera products. In 2003, PT Niramas Utama proudly opened a new product facility for Aloe Vera as the second factory located in Pontianak. Aloe Vera product enters not only the domestic market, but they are also welcomed in Japan, America, Canada, Hong Kong, Philippines, and Australia.
Apa yang kami peroleh dan rasakan hingga hari ini merupakan hasil dari dukungan dan kepercayaan yang diberikan oleh konsumen INACO. Di iklim persaingan yang begitu ketat dan semakin kompetitif, PT Niramas Utama tetap bertekad untuk terus mengembangkan usahanya dengan membuat produk-produk baik bagi seluruh konsumen dimanapun mereka berada. Sukses selalu untuk INACO.
With a vision to become the top market leader in healthy food products, PT Niramas Utama is supported by trained human resources, the best production technology, and selected ingredients to produce 3 major products: Nata de Coco, jelly, and Aloe Vera. At the product facility Tambon, Bekasi, located in an area of 30,000 square meters, PT Niramas Utama produces INACO, Turtle, and several other private labels. The entire production process is in accordance with international standards for food products, including sanitation, product quality control, and to ensure consumers only get the best products. Nata de Coco is made of selected fresh coconut and produced in Bekasi. Extensive experience, research, and adequate product facility, supported by a solid production team, has produced a form of coconut gel with the softest texture, clear and fresh. Coconut essence undergoes a safe and hygienic fermentation process. The preliminary process produces coconut gel in the form of layers, ready for the next stage of process. INACO Nata de Coco production is carried out in accordance with quality control standards. Coconut gel in the form of layers are cleaned by water for hygiene and cut into various sizes as needed. Small coconut gels are cooked until they are ready for plastic packaging. Mixed with various syrups for each product, namely Nata Cup, Nata de Coco, and Mini Jelly. All of the products then go through pasteurization process and final product quality control process before finally put into carton packages.
Baru dari INACO, mini jelly segar aneka rasa.
Kalau yang begini, Papa juga doyan.
Mini Jelly INACO is produced from quality fresh seaweeds and processed by a special high-technology machine which is in accordance with good manufacturing practices to produce liquid jelly. The liquid jelly is cooked and distributed through a special machine to be placed in cup packages along with small-size Nata de Coco. The mini jelly in the cup then goes through a pasteurization process. Products which are according to the standard must go through a final quality control process before packaging for distribution. The production of INACO cocoa drink began by processing the syrup to be distributed into glass container through a machine and followed by inserting small-size coconut gel. The plastic package is then wrapped for high-temperature pasteurization to guarantee its hygiene. INACO cocoa drink product enters the final quality control process to be put into carton packages for market distribution. Pontianak, the city under the equator, is home for various facilities for PT Niramas Utama's central facility of Aloe Vera. Fields of natural aloe vera ready to supply the needs. Aloe vera is known as a herbal plant which is good for health and very popular around the world since the time of Cleopatra. PT Niramas Utama is not only keen on spotting the market by providing supply for the large international market, but also actively participate in developing the economics in West Kalimantan by mobilizing the public to plant aloe vera. INACO aloe vera product is currently receiving positive response in both domestic and international markets. Fresh harvested aloe vera is directly sent to the factory. At a preliminary stage, aloe vera leaves go through an intensive process twice to eradicate any dirt. Aloe vera then peeled off, cleaned and cut down to size. The small size aloe vera meat will then be washed in a water tank several times before cooked. Aloe vera is then cut, sorted out and ready to be placed in plastic wrap accordingly along with the syrup. The wrap is then put under a thorough examination before entering the pasteurization process. After being cleaned and passed the final quality control process. After being cleaned and passed the final quality control process, INACO Aloe Vera product is ready to be put into carton package for market distribution.
Kami hanya mengkonsumsi produk Nata de Coco dan Aloe Vera dari INACO karena higienis dan rasanya lebih enak.
INACO jelly, Mami.
Si kecil pun cuma mau INACO jelly. Dia nggak mau yang lain. INACO nempel di hati.
Memasarkan produk INACO merupakan suatu berkah. Selain mudah dipasarkan, produknya juga disukai oleh konsumen. Kami bangga dapat tumbuh dan berkembang bersama dengan INACO.
Keberhasilan kami sebagai market leader di kelasnya tak lepas dari berkat Tuhan Yang Maha Esa dan loyalitas dari seluruh konsumen INACO di dalam dan di luar negeri. Untuk itu kami haturkan terima kasih yang tidak terhingga kepada seluruh konsumen INACO. Produk-produk INACO merupakan produk terbaik yang telah dihasilkan oleh PT Niramas Utama. Kepercayaan dan loyalitas yang sangat baik dari seluruh konsumen sangat mempermudah kami dalam memasarkan produk-produk INACO. Saat ini produk-produk INACO sudah kami pasarkan di seluruh wilayah Indonesia. Untuk mancanegara, secara reguler kami telah memasok produk-produk INACO ke Jepang, Amerika, Hong Kong, Kanada, Australia, dan Filipina. Terima kasih kepada distributor-distributor yang telah bekerja sama dengan kami. Kami selalu berkomitmen untuk memberikan yang terbaik untuk Anda.
Sukses selalu untuk INACO.